Is it time to change your dirty air filter on your RS1? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen, and this is Maintenance Matters. We started by removing the seat to gain access to the panel. Go ahead and remove that. Set that aside. Remove the 3 clips on the airbox lid. Slide that off. Pull your air filter out to the side. This one looks like it's pretty dusty. The inside of our airbox is also pretty dusty, so we'll go ahead and get that cleaned up. Go ahead and wipe everything down with a clean cloth. Check your seal around the airbox lid, make sure it's still in good shape. If it's damaged, you will need to replace that. You'll want to check your air filter for any damaged or wet fins. If there is any damage, go on ahead and replace that while you're in here. This one looks like it's in pretty good shape, so we'll dust it off and go ahead and reuse it. You'll reinstall your filter by just sliding it back on. Make sure it's secure. Reinstall your airbox lid. Reinstall your panel. Now you can reinstall your seat. That's how easy it is to change your air filter on the RS1. Happy riding!